So we can say that the heat affects the movement of particles, and that's why the substance changes from one state to another. نقدر نقول إن الهيتنج ممكن يأثر على البارتكلز بتاعة المطر وبالتالي ممكن يغيرها from one state to another. But I wonder, what is the difference between highlighted terms in yellow, such as thermal energy, heat, temperature? Do you remember these three vocabularies? فاكرينهم؟ Do all objects take the same time and heat to change from one state to another? I mean, if we try to heat a piece of butter and a piece of wood. لو جربنا إن احنا نعمل heating لقطعة من البتر وقطعة من الوود. What will happen? يا ترى هيحصل إيه؟ Right, wood will burn and butter will melt. But let's think together. Can we use the same temperature to melt a piece of iron and a piece of butter? يا ترى نقدر نستخدم نفس التمبريتشر عشان نعمل melting للأيرن والبتر؟ Of course not. أكيد البتر عندي هتعمل melting أو هتنصهر بحرارة بسيطة. لكن الأيرن محتاجة درجة حرارة كبيرة جدا عشان تبدأ تعمل melting. This means that heat effect changes are based on substance. And this leads us to the next activity, ask questions like a scientist. Let's see. The activity title is glass blowing, which is the investigative phenomenon of the concept. Let's check the activity on Textbook. Let's go. Look at the two images well. This is the first image, and this is the second one. Look at them and think how we can use heat to make certain objects, such as shaping and forming glass. Do you observe how the shape of glass changes when it's heated? It looks like liquid. The heat effect on forming glass is very clear. This change in state allows the glass to be shaped more easily than when it's frozen at a lower temperature. Of course, it will be impossible to change the shape of glass when it's in the solid state. So, as we saw here in the two pictures, manufacturing of glass depending on changing glass from one state to another.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.